When searching for sources, getting relevant results depends on how well you design your search to begin with. You want to use good keywords and lots of synonyms to create your search strings. So, if your question is, based on a best-selling novel, how historically accurate is the motion picture The Dirty Dozen starring Lee Marvin? Do I type as much information as possible into the search box? No way. I choose the main ideas and significant words and phrases only. That's the key to good searching. So, in my question, the search string would include the really important concepts like historically accurate and dirty dozen. I might even try quotes around them so the keywords are searched as phrases. And I also might try historical accuracy if I strike out with historically accurate, which is a really important point. Don't get married to your search terms. Mix and match those search terms so that you can get the best results possible. I'm sure you've already run into the fact that you need to mix and match World War II because you can make it with a 2, some I's, or the word and come up with all different results. That's always the case. Just like war, research is messy. So, use different keywords, create new search strings, and you can do that with synonyms. Synonyms are definitely your friends. So, if one set of keywords isn't working, change it up. You can use war film, or war film genre, or war fiction. You can try film theory, or film criticism, or film analysis. Also, I don't have to stick with historical accuracy. I could also try historical authenticity. Once you get those search results, don't forget to refine them. Linked full text and maybe even change the date. If you have any questions, you can post on the discussion board or call the library. Good luck!